Define data footprint, describe its storage, discuss methods for managing it, and identify potential entities tracking social media digital footprints. A data footprint is like a digital trail that we leave behind when we use technology, such as phones or computers. It includes all the information we create or interact with, like websites we visit, posts we make on social media, or online purchases we make. This data is stored in various places, like servers or databases owned by companies. To manage our data footprint, we can be careful about what information we share online and use privacy settings on social media. Potential entities tracking our digital footprints on social media could include the platforms themselves, advertisers, or even hackers. Provide instances of data loss and emphasize the importance of a recovery plan. List crucial documents for safeguarding to prevent loss, like birth certificates. Data loss can happen in different ways, such as accidental deletion, hardware failure, or cyber attacks. It's important to have a data recovery plan to protect against these risks. For example, if your computer crashes and you lose important files, a recovery plan can help you retrieve them. Some crucial documents to safeguard include birth certificates, passports, and academic certificates. These documents are essential for various purposes, like proving identity or applying for jobs, so keeping them safe is crucial to prevent loss.